This lesson is sevens. And maybe you are loving these lessons with facts practice, but you might not be. Just a reminder that this is good practice to have a strategy to figure out these facts. If you want to memorize them, if you have them memorized, that's awesome. So if I say 6 times 9, you know it's 54. But you might not be there, and that's okay. But I do want you to have a strategy to be able to figure it out other than using a calculator. Multiplication charts are great, but you won't always have one with you. So it's good to have another strategy you can use to figure out these facts. So we're going to add sevens today. Hopefully you left a blank for it. If not, just add it on the side. So today's song is Happy Birthday. Sorry, this is a little messy. Happy birthday. Hopefully your writing is neater than mine, but if it's not, no worries. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63, and 70. Oh, guys, I should have planned out better my space, but I didn't, so hopefully you have more space, or else you can squeeze it in like I did. I'll go ahead and sing that again. 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63, and 70. So, notice how we didn't put some numbers on here. That was because most of you know your 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s. I'll go ahead and add them if you want to add them, but you probably are at least mostly familiar with them. So I'll just use a skinny black for this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And then 5s, yes, I know I'm writing on top of my words. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And then 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again, you can add those. You don't have to. If you did add them, notice we have a multiplication chart right here. Now, granted, it might be kind of messy. That's okay. It's still good practice writing them down and getting familiar with those multiples so that you can figure out the problems you need to figure out. Again, as a reminder, this is a coloring one, so you can color it. You don't have to, but you do need to put your answers in there to practice your sevens. You got this.